this might not have been a good idea. I guess you gotta be some kind of crazy if you hit the trail while it's pouring rain and just to do a short day hike. I just really wanted to get out and hike today. Wish it would quit raining a little bit. I thought it was going to. This is a pretty nice trail. This is West Prong Trail. The length of it is 2.7 miles. I'm not going to quite go 2.7. I'm probably going to go about 2.5 up to campsite 18. And then turn around and just go back. Nothing crazy today, but any opportunity I can get out and hike, I definitely want to take advantage of it. Even if it means doing it when it's raining. I sigh. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. It seems like it's just about to quit because there's like some sun peeking through the clouds. So I'm hoping, cross my fingers. And a good reason for a poncho is because like right now I have it on. It completely covers me. It covers all the way down to my knees, and it's covering my pack, and it's so breathable that I'm not sweating at all right now. It's like the greatest invention ever, and they're $1. It's not even that hard of a trail. It's the muggy from the rain, and I breathe really bad when it's humid. It just feels like I might as well put this up and do like that. Oh, it's a frog. Oh, darn it. He's right there. Hi, buddy. Can you see him? Ribbit. 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 What's up, Kermit? How's Miss Piggy? Oops, sorry. Forgot you broke up. So there's a lot of little spots like this where on this trail where it's a little open, and then there's like this side trail, and I've never taken the side trail, so I don't know where it goes. I don't know if they go to like, maybe some graveyards, or I don't know. I really have no idea. So, and I could go check it out, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna keep going till I get to campsite 18. Just a little bit of you. So I'm not going to go any further. I was just going to go to 18 and turn around, but I'll just turn around now. Anyway, this is going to end this trail for me. I'm going to turn around and head back. So the absolutely awesome part is I was able to take the poncho off, which makes me much cooler. Sadly, even the poncho is holding some heat and moisture. Not anywhere near as bad as a rain jacket, but it's quit raining, so I'm glad it came out. I just think it's so pretty right here, just with the tree roots and the rhododendron tunnel. Pretty. See, if I hadn't come out because of the rain, would have missed out a little bit. Some good old hiking. That's one thing about Tennessee. Heck, the Smoky Mountains. If you don't like the weather, just stick around. It's bound to change. And another side trail. I don't know where it goes to either. It's just kind of here in this little clearing area. And there's another side trail. Don't know where that goes. And we're back to the parking lot. So let's head over to Tremont real quick. The dorms that we stayed in when I was in 6th grade. These were the dorms where we slept, and then I know we did some sort of activities in that building over there, and I remember doing some activities out here in this lawn. And it's funny because when you're a kid, everything seems huge, and this place just seemed huge when I was in 6th grade. And it's like, it doesn't seem very big now, you know. It's just like, wow, you know, like you just don't ever remember things the way you do when you're little. Well, this is the end of my hike today. I promised my hubby that I would pick him up some chili dogs from this awesome gas station. They have really good chili dogs, so I'm gonna go there. It's in Townsend. I'm gonna go there, pick those up, and head home. But anyway, thank you so much again for watching, and happy first day of summer, happy summer solstice, and happy trails. Hopefully, maybe I'll see you on the trail one day. Until then, till next time, peace out. Actually, just so you know, in England, if you do this, it's like doing the bird. So, peace out. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit subscribe. Oh, and also, don't forget to hit that like button. Come on now. Woo!
You ready now?
Yeah. I'm gonna have 8 chili dogs with onion, mustard, and cheese. Okay, perfect. These are all Jerry's.
Yep.
There's your chili dogs you asked for.
Yay.
Since you didn't get to go hiking.
I know.